In the insurance industry, for a long time, the middle to low income group people are not being served. I feel that it is time somebody do something about this. Put it down or I still? Oh, just get first. Okay. Alright. I'm John Ng, founder and CEO of DearTime, a digital life insurer here to insure everyone, including those who cannot afford it. Just to put things into perspective, out of those who are currently insured in Malaysia, only 4% are from the B40 group. In the insurance industry in Malaysia, there has always been this inequality whereby it's only the affluent market who are owning most of the policies. Most insurance companies, they focus on agency model, and we are just human. So we have 24 hours a day. We can't be approaching too many people. So that's why to maximize our time, agents would approach those who are affluent, those who are in the higher income group, and that will help maximize the premium that can be obtained from just one policy. To further help agents, insurance companies also would package coverages and products, bundle them together into one policy, so that it will be a lot easier to achieve high premium collected. This works very well for the affluent market. But for the middle to low income group, there will be three main problems. Firstly, it will be expensive. Secondly, complicated because too many things are being bundled together. And thirdly, inaccessible because most agents, they are centralized around cities and towns. And to solve this, the digital solution is the best way forward. This is what DearTime's aim is. We want to penetrate into the market for the middle to low income group. DearTime is Malaysia's first life insurer in the Bank Negara Malaysia sandbox. We do insurance business 100% digitally. What that means is you can perform all the necessary insurance processes from purchase to editing and to claiming 100% digitally and intuitively. We do not distribute other insurance companies' products, including not just the underwriting part but also claiming. We pay the claim payout ourselves to make sure that you get to have control over your own policy. So DearTime has 5 products currently: medical card, death, disability, accident, and critical illness. And the good thing about our disability product is that unlike all other insurance companies out there, whereby their disability coverage is bundled together with death. If you want to buy that much of disability coverage, you need to buy the same equal amount for death. And you can only claim once. But in DearTime, we recognize the need, especially for the lower income group. We see the need to separate death from disability, because when you become disabled, you will be disabled for life, and that requires a lot of financial support. With DearTime, we make it very flexible. You can turn on and off the coverage whenever you want, as and when you need it. It is a misconception that life insurance policies is a long-term product. It doesn't need to. DearTime's products are yearly renewable term products. What that means is the premium will increase every year, but the good thing about it is that you only need to pay for what you need that year. We do not charge you for future risks that we force you to pay right now so that we can lock you in. When you buy a policy from DearTime, you're not just buying insurance for yourself, you're sponsoring someone who cannot afford it too. We introduced something that has never been heard of, which is DearTime Sponsored Insurance. It is a built-in feature so that you can allocate up to 10% of your premium to DearTime Charity Fund. And DearTime Charity Fund will then sponsor those who cannot afford insurance on a first-come, first-served basis. If you're in the B40 group, if your household income is less than 3172 per month, then you can also opt to be sponsored. You don't need to be sponsored if you do not want to. If you feel that you can afford, you can do so too. And if you do buy for yourself as one of the B40 members, then you have an additional option for Thanksgiving. You can allocate any percentage from 0% up to 10% to yourself as a form of discount. Of course, some people who have gotten some promotion in work, if you start to earn more and you're out of that bracket, then we would not renew your policy under sponsored insurance, but you can always buy for yourself. Now, we understand how challenging it is when it comes to claim. You wouldn't want to go through the hassle of have to pass documents here and there, medical claim forms and so on. So we cut all those out. All you need to do is to scan your face to verify your identity, and then we'll give you a claim code. With that claim code, you flash it at our panel hospital, and then you just wait for the approved claim money to be banked in. You don't have to do anything else because DearTime will liaise directly with the panel hospital. We have been operating for close to 1 year already. Before DearTime was launched, we kind of expected that it would take time for us to build up brand awareness. But as time goes by, we notice brand awareness that we have been working on is building up, and we are excited that more and more people get to know about what DearTime is offering. When you buy a product, you're not really buying the product itself, you're buying services. Insurance, a financial institution, banking as well, it's all about trust. To me, success for DearTime is where we finally can get every Malaysian covered with insurance. Our number one KPI is not top line revenue, bottom line profit, or anything that is just about the company's financial position. Our number one KPI is insurance penetration, because insurance penetration is truly about the customers. DearTime can provide you with that opportunity and that platform to solve this inequality in humanity. You can sponsor those who cannot afford insurance. In this way, everyone gets covered. Together, we are touching one more life.